It's a storm at sea. What if I told you a handful of missiles and drones in one narrow sea could derail global trade and push the entire world toward economic chaos? That's not a movie plot. It's happening right now in the Red Sea. Over the next few minutes, you'll see how attacks by Houthi rebels are forcing ships to reroute, doubling travel times, pushing up prices, and freezing economies in their tracks. Stay with me. You'll understand why this one flashpoint holds nearly 15% of the world's trade hostage. 1. The Hidden Chokepoint. The Red Sea, a lifeline that connects Asia to Europe via the Suez Canal, isn't glamorous. But it's one of the most strategic shipping lanes on Earth, handling about 14% of global maritime trade and up to 30% of containerized cargo. Since late 2023, Houthi rebels have ramped up attacks on commercial vessels. Over 90 ships targeted, more than 30 damaged, and 2 sunk. One hijacking alone, the Galaxy leader saw crew held hostage for 430 days. Suddenly, the invisible stroke of commerce is under assault. 2. Shipping on the run. Following sustained attacks, shipping companies began rerouting vessels around Africa's Cape of Good Hope. That detour adds approximately 10 extra days to Asia-Europe voyages, plus a whopping $1 million in fuel costs per trip. Now, routing costs are up 141% year over year, with freight rates in the Red Sea corridor soaring 230% higher. The world's most efficient shipping route, suddenly obsolete. 3. The Domino Effect. This isn't about longer trips, it's about a quiet apocalypse in supply chains. Container volume through the Red Sea has dropped 75%. That means just-in-time manufacturing, dead, retail shortages, auto delays, and food price surges already echoing through economies. The UN warns these transport hits are threatening global trade, inflation, even food and energy security. In response, navies launched protective operations like the US-led Operation Prosperity Guardian and the EU's Operation Aspides. Yet, attacks continue. 4. Ports that wait. Some ports can't wait in silence. Israel's port of Eilat, desperately dependent on Red Sea routes, has seen traffic drop 90%, leaving it bankrupt and shuttered as of mid-2025. Even giants like Maersk are steering clear. They don't expect a safe return through the Suez route until mid-2025 or later, warned CEO Vincent Clerc. Meanwhile, Hapag-Lloyd posted strong earnings but is hedging for durability, warning that ongoing instability and tariffs could still derail forecasts. Major ports are collapsing, shipping routes are shifting, and the financial bets are piling up. 5. Why this crisis matters. This isn't about ships. It's about your price hikes. OECD says doubling shipping costs could add up to 0.4 percentage points to inflation in advanced economies. Consumers face sticker shock, from electronics to toys to food. Meanwhile, inflation pressures persist, supply chains buckle, and options are shrinking. And remember, this crisis is a warning. The Panama and Hormuz routes face their own threats, droughts, geopolitical flashpoints. We're staring at a fragile global trade architecture, and it's cracking. Conclusion: change course or crash. A few missiles in the Red Sea are threatening the world's economy, no exaggeration. Routes reroute, prices spike, ports die, and economies slow. Will global trade rebuild resilience or keep sailing toward another bottleneck? If you're watching this, you're part of that ripple. Because when supply chains shatter, comfort stalls. The question now isn't just how we reroute ships, it's how we reroute our world.